I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal for your Apple Music subscription, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 2. Tap your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This is essential for managing your subscriptions. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and tap on Subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of all your active subscriptions, including Apple Music. Step 4. Choose Apple Music. Find and select your Apple Music subscription from the list. This will take you to the subscription details page where you can make changes. Step 5. Turn off auto renewal. On the subscription details page, look for the option to turn off auto renewal. Toggle this option to stop future charges. Make sure to confirm your choice. Remember, if you don't see the option to turn off auto renewal, it might be because your subscription is already set to expire soon. I hope this helps you manage your Apple Music subscription easily.